Yadav. So welcome to my short demo of the application that I have built, which is actually a bookmarks application where I have integrated this DistilBERT model straight into the application. So this is how the model is. So this project has been made a couple of months ago, but at this time I was thinking to include and record this video as I am proposing a new idea for my GSOC 2026. So as I am proposing an idea under Kivix, Apple and Gutenberg, these are the two repositories that I am concentrating on. So I think this would be a right project that to showcase that I'm a right fit for it. So the problem I am solving in this case is we have so basically I bookmarks things constantly and never look at them again because they are unorganized and stuff like that. So I built Cortex to fix that, and it automatically tags and categorize every link that we save and remains on device and private. So this is the model that I have used as I showed. So the tech stack that I have used are like as a whole, it's SwiftUI for entire UI, and there is no UI kits, no storyboards, and as usual the SwiftData in order to storing the bookmarks and tags, and the CoreML thing for on-device inferences, which is as usual nothing goes on servers, and the deploying targets are somewhere like 18.5 iOS, and I have just by using Xcode I have built this. I mean, that was the main code editor for me in terms of building iOS, that is usual. So as a AI pipeline, I would say um, that I have converted the ML package format using the CoreML tools. First of all, I took this model from the Hugging Face, and then using the CoreML tools, I have converted this model. And in case if I can show a little bit about this, these are the computes and the storage. It is a float 16 in this case. So I have quantized it from 32. It has been float 16 now. A little bit about its structure and all those stuff, which is I don't think it is necessary at this point of time. So these are the exact thing, and the logic is this is the main logic that I have built in terms of model. So these are the some of the tag mapping that I have used, and what you can say, classification, and then followed with the tokenization. I don't go much into deep, but as a whole, if I say that um, the URL page, as in it takes input as an URL page contents, which is like title, meta descriptions, and body text, and outputs as a category classification with confidence score. So I have used the Apple NaturalLanguage framework as a fallback. If the core model isn't loaded, the NL tagger and NN language recognizer takes over, which is inbuilt with this application. So then the keyword extraction uses the lexical class tagging. Domain based rules, like if it is a GitHub, it shows a development, and if it is a video, if it is a YouTube, it shows a video and all those stuff. So looking at the model, this application, this is how it looks. So this is one of it, which is one of the link that I have, and I can show by adding one more link. So these are the views that I have built. So basically, in each and some of the feature I'll just show it, like favorite marking, and if each and every time you visit the application and open a link, it's just mark as 1, 2, 3, like this many times you have visited the links, specific links and something like that. And each and every time when it tags, all those tags comes under this. And if you want to specifically look for those tags, let's say if it is a programming, then if you click on this, then all those under tagged under programming will be shown here. And whenever you visit it, it shows over here. Basically it's just increment, and it just sort the maximum visited on the upper side, showing. So probably at this time there are certain bugs. It's still in the development phase. So these are some of the features and stuff like. If this is on, then it won't auto tag it. I'll show you. And as I showed in this code as well, it basically allows a confidence weightage. So all the sources like the CoreML NLP and domain analysis is been produced as a candidate tags. Tags are ranked and filtered by a confidence threshold, and the final tags return back to the bookmarks model through SwiftData. So initially I have built the authentication, but I was facing some of the technicalities as I am not having the full access to Apple's developer account. So I'm still looking into the to have that sign in and biometrics things. And as I said, I'll just show by adding a quick link. Let's say, what should I add? Let's say monster.com. So monster.com is a website, so it allows, and sometimes it's as I said, it's in the development phase. It's not fully accurate. Like I don't think I should allow programming because probably some of the jobs, most of the jobs are posted in monster.com is tech related jobs and stuff like that. So probably it is picking up that. So this and some of this you can straight away import the JSON from this import and scan it in order to straight away add into the bookmarks. And let's say if I switch off this and add a certain other bookmarks, let's say https:/google.com. So that's it, Google. So in this case it doesn't tag. So when you so that is the main feature that I have built. And then if we switch on this, we'll come back and see it is been tagged. And there are several other couple of features that I'm trying to build at this time. So this project is already hosted over here, so I'm still looking into it. And presently I'm trying to improve this NLP fallback and all those stuff, like trying to integrate, because it's not always necessary that we open our application and enter the bookmark and enter the URL and it auto tags. So I'm thinking of building browser extension as well. So as a whole, what I mean to say by presenting this is I would consider that Kivix Apple will be the right fit, and I am proposing there is already an issue on which Kivix is trying to have a semantic search kind of stuff for their whole infrastructure that they have. But presently I was thinking to go with particularly on Gutenberg, because building the semantic search kind of stuff, the whole Kivix library it's more like a infrastructural level challenge, and I see there are multiple problems associated with it. So yeah, in short, I don't want to extend this video for so long, so this is one of the similar stuff that I have built, where I have integrated the DistilBERT model into the application. So I would like to do some similar kind of stuff where I like to take a small language, small model from the Hugging Face, and try to utilize it for the semantic search, specifically for Gutenberg library. Where like at present, what we have in Gutenberg library is when we go into the zim file, and whenever the zim file gets opened by the reader, if we search that if we want to search a particular book, then we have to enter a author name, like I don't know, like where I can show Gutenberg, whether it is available. Okay, so so I was thinking to integrate this straight away in the like utilize this and have some indexing kind of things implemented at the Gutenberg scraper, and that indexings will be will act as a embeddings for the models. So like in short, I don't want to go into detail again. Again, I'm saying it, I'm going into detail. But yeah, that is what I'm trying to build in the proposal. Like seeing into the proposals, probably you get more idea. But yeah, that's what I'd like to build. Thank you for listening.